Concept? No. So yes, sir. Written, huh? Let me open it once. So types of parameters, importance of parameters, types of parameters. So I'll just open it. Yeah, we have to write. You have to write it. Okay. So some of them written. They said that's are written. Yes, ma. Look at that. Yeah. So it is done carefully. You see that previous class. Example also we have. Example also we have. Then see the example. Let me open it. Let me come to the variable arguments example. Variable argument example. Look at that. Very, very perfectly the statement is written. Show of 10. Show of 10. So what is that show of 10? Show of 10, 20. So in the function, n number of similar function calls with a variable number of values. N number of similar function calls with a variable number of values. Show of 10. Show of 10, 20. Show of 10, 20, 30. Show of 10, 20, 30, 40. Function name is same, but variable number of values are different. Variable number of values 10, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, AVR, Python and HYD. So variable number of values are there. For that we want to write only one function name with a formal parameter. That formal parameter must be preceded by the variable symbol called what? Star. Here star n is called what? Variable length parameter whose name, whose type is called what? Tuple. So whose type is what, ma? Tuple. Tuple. Here also same. Here also same. See, ma, display function. Similar type of values. Similar function call with what? Variable number of values. Variable number of values I have. So there it is a single function which is having star KVR or something like star something like H, star H. So star H is called what? Variable length parameter. Star H is called what? Variable length parameter. And whose type is what? Tuple. And printing that value. Main program. See that? Only one function definition. Only one function definition is done. We come back to the point. Here, when we come across with n number of similar function calls with a variable number of values, with a variable number of values, with a variable number of values, then in normal Python programming, I will write ma, in normal Python programming, see ma, we need to define n function definitions. This approach leads to more development time and takes more execution time and more code redundancy. Already we have seen that. To come out of this problem, we define one function definition. For n number of one function, we define one function definition only. I'll write within the double quotes, ma, one function definition only. One function definition only for n similar function calls with a variable number of values. For storing variable number of values with a variable number of values for n similar function calls with a variable number of values. This approach gives less development time. I'm just adding something. Less execution time and redundancy of the code is reduced. To hold variable number of values in the function definition, we use a formal parameter preceded with asterisk, and that formal parameter is called variable length parameter and whose type is a tuple. Syntax, syntax you see, very, very simple. Def function name, list of formal params, star param. So in our example, we used only star param so far. We used only star param and we are using other kind of thing also. In the same class, I will show you that. So dear students, I hope that the syntax is done. Function calls, you don't worry. Tell me students, is this concept is understandable for all of you? Is this concept is all of you understandable? Yes. So next example, when I come to next example, I will tell you positional parameters, keyword arguments. Yes, everything we will use it. Slowly, one by one, we will use it. That's why we are giving two examples for this. Shall we write up? Shall we write this? Shall we write or not? Start. Start, ma. Write down. Already you have written, huh? Some of the students has written, some of the students not written. Have you written this, ma? This is this concept. Yo, some of the students written, some of the students not written. How come it is? 1 minute, stop all of you. Just to stop, ma. Just to stop. I want to say what you are answering. Have you written this concept or not? Please written. Stop once, ma. Don't send message, please. Please stop it. Stop all of you. Have you written this statement? Have you written this concept or not? You just answer me. That's it. You took screenshot. Okay. Then okay. So screenshot is written. Screenshot is taken. Okay. Write down within 2 minutes you complete it, ma. Within 2 minutes you complete it. Carefully write down, ma. Durga Prasad, thank you for your advice for every student. Yeah, Durga Prasad is saying that, sir, be safe. Corona is expanding in Hyderabad rapidly. Thank you, ma Durga Prasad. Thank you for your advice for me. Really, I will follow. So I'm not going out of my home. I'm only inside of my four walls. Morning to evening, I'm inside the room only. I am taking morning to evening only classes. No outside world what is going on. Sun's rising not seeing, sunset also I'm not seeing. Only classes. Python, Java, Python. Life is that only. Yes, ma. Write down. Now write down. No discussion. Others are getting disturbed because of our discussion. So last 15 minutes we will discuss about doubts during the time. Last 5 minutes we will talk about other things. So complete it. Kunal Turankar. We will meet, ma. Whenever the offline classes starts, we will meet. Please let them write. If we complete little bit fast, I'll go for the example, then I'll go for second example, then we'll go for keyword variable length parameter, most interesting concept. Okay, Maharaj Shekhar, I will remove. Development time. Okay, ma. Completed? Huh? Right, ma. Now I am going to example part. Example part I will go for it. Now write a Python program. Write a Python program which demonstrates the concept of write a Python program which demonstrates the concept of variable length parameters. Variable length parameters. Variable length parameters. Variable length parameters. R. In other words, you write down. In other words, you write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept and display. You write which will accept and display. Which will accept and display variable number of values. Variable number of values. Which will accept and display variable number of values. Which will accept and display variable number of values. Which will accept and display variable number of values. Which will accept and display variable number of values. Variable number of values. Which will accept and display variable number of values. See that variable number of values. Now I am opening the program. Now write down ma. Where is the program here? This example. So one function, two functions I used ma. One display function variable number of values, one show function with variable number of values. See, show function without value also. This is also one important question ma. Display of without this also I am going to show. Let me go for the example part here ma. Let me go to the example part directly. We'll come to this. So you see that VAR. Now I am taking 1 minute. I will take this main program name I will take, and we already seen this example part last class only. So we got the result like this. See, so we got 10 20 10 20 30 40. Now next is called what you know. So 10 Java, Python, etc. 10 20.4 etc. like this we got it. None also value is printed. None also the value is printed. So variable number of values are printed. Okay, write down. Be careful. Avinash Mishra. You have not written this example. Avinash Mishra, you have not written this example. Because concept only now you have written. Example you did not write. I think. So maybe you have taken screenshot, I think so. Okay, if you have written it, just wait for it. Others you can complete it. So we told you, Nama, Kunal, Turankar. I told you directly. I wrote to print of n. Print of n. What it will print? All of you answer. Kunal is asking a question. Print of n directly instead of for loop. Print of n. He is asking print of n. What will print? Yes, Aksha. Very good, ma. Aksha Patil. Very good. Tuple form it is printed. Kushal Tata is answering. Yeah, tuple format, which I shown you in the class or not? Only n printed. Shown you in the class or not? Not remembering. When I print and show you, na? Yes. When I print and show you, na, definitely will say, sir, you have shown it, you will say. N is called a tuple. When I print a tuple, all elements will be printed at once, sir. All element will be printed at once, sir. Yes, ma? What is that? What is the name? Kunal. Kunal, are you understanding, ma? When you print n directly, it will print what? Tuple value directly. Okay, na? Okay. If you write little bit fast, then I'll go to next mechanism. Come on, ma. Little bit fast, ma. Okay, ma. Next, one more example. I want to go for it. Write a Python program. It's an important, ma. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will find, which will find, which will find, which will find, which will find Sum and average of, it's a very important and it is a small written test question in one of the place, which you will find sum and average of, sum and average of, sum and average of variable number of values, variable number of numerical values. See the question, variable number of numerical values, sum and average of, sum and average of, sum and average of variable number of numerical values, sum and average of variable number of numerical values, sum and average of variable number of numerical values. Variable number of numerical values. Right. Yes, ma. Now I am going for, now I can go for program. I am going to introduce. Program I am going to introduce. See that, ma? Let us come to the point of variable number of values related. Raj Singh, I will speak about that in the class, ma. I'll take the overall opinion about it, then I will move forward. Okay, don't worry. So let us move to the subject. So our question is finding the variable number of values. So I'm taking main program here. The main program will be something like this. So I'm having find sum is my function name. Find sum and AVG. Find sum AVG. Find sum AVG. The values are 10, 20, for example. 10, 20 is an example. Next, I will take one more kind of value. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. I want to find 10, 20, 30. Next, I want to find 10, 20, 30, 30, 40. Now, dear student, who is finding this? For example, who is finding, for example, Mr. Dilip. Mr. Dilip is finding this. Mr. Dilip want to find 10, 20. Mr. Raj Singh want to find these values. Mr. Raj Singh want to find out these values. Mr. Raj Singh want to find these values. Mr. Raj Singh. Next, Mr. Prasad want to find these things. Mr. Prasad want to find these values. Mr. Prasad want to find these values. See how important these are. First, what I am saying, positional parameters I am using. Positional parameters I am using. So there I am saying who is from where, who is from HYD, who is from HYD. I am taking one more positional parameter. He is from MH Maharashtra and he is from AP. He is from AP. AP he is fine. See that values? He is from AP, for example. See 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. After that 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So he is taking first two things are common, name and place. Name and place, these are name and place. After that, what I am writing, ma? Variable number of values I am passing. Variable number of values I am passing. Be careful. First one I will give comment. First one, second one I will give comment. This also I will give comment. How do I write it? Definition I am writing. What is that, ma? Def. What is this now? Find some AVG. Find some AVG. Find some AVG. Tell me, what is that now? Very good. Kaushal Tata, very nice, ma. I will take yes name, comma, place, comma. Come on, now, last what I should do? Everybody must tell. Everybody must tell. I am waiting for what you will write it. Star. Star N. Come on, guys, what are you doing? Sleeping or what? Star N. First two parameters are what? Positional parameters. Second one is what? Second one is called what? Variable length parameter. variable length parameter. Come on. Now how it is doing? How it is doing? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. If we come to a small paintbrush, because how this logic is, because I can write it directly, because if anybody gets the problem, because some people it will become bounce for some people. That's why I'm just giving you some clarity here. Some clarity I'm giving here. Okay. So here I'm trying to write like this. Just for a minute, you see, ma. I'll cut this part. I'll take this entire thing here. And now I will write the definition here. I will take this definition here. Do you know what is happening? Do you know what is happening? When you say these values, first function is there, na? First function. So this 10, 10, 20 is coming and storing into n. So what is this n? N is called a tuple. So n is called a tuple, ma. N is equal to values are 10, 20 is available. 10, 20 is available. And a name is name that I need not to tell you. Dilip is storing in yes name. HOD is placing in a place. That's no problem. So I want to find the values in the n is equal to 10, 20. So first what you will do? I will say C students for x in n or for value val in n. What is the value coming first? First what is coming? 10 is coming in val. 10 is coming in val. That value to be added with the 10 is there. When the next value 20 coming, 20 to be adding to the previous value. When 10 is coming, 10 will be added to the previous value. 10 is coming to the previous value. So I will say that here, if you say that, I will take one temporary variable s is equal to 0. Why s is equal to 0? You will get it attention first. Why s is equal to 0? Because if n is containing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, first what is coming? S is equal to, if I say s is equal to, I keep track of the temporary sums. S is equal to 0. If I say, here I will write s is equal to s plus 10. What is the value of s? 10. What is the value of s? 10. Next what I will write? S is equal to s plus 20. What is the value of s previously? 10. In the second line, 10. 10 plus 20 is how much? 30. Next I will write s is equal to what? S plus 30. Third value. This third value. What is the value of s now? What is the value of s now? Is equal to what? What is the value? 60. Next I will write s is equal to what? S is equal to s plus what? 40. Now what is the value of s? S is equal to what? 40 is what? 100. S is equal to 100. Now s is equal to what next? S is equal to s plus what? 50. That is called s is equal to what? 150. S is equal to 150. Dear students, you try to understand to keep track of our temporary sum. To keep track of my temporary sum. First s 10. Now 10 is becoming what? 10 is becoming what? If I go in my own style, half of the brains will be bouncing. So 10, 20, I will go on finding the temporary sums. That's why I'm going to take what? Value of this will be continued. Dear students, are you understanding why I took it as value in s? So I will say s is equal to s plus what? S plus what? Value. Do you understand, ma? Do you understand this? Dear students, are you understanding first of all? I should request all of you to respond. S is equal to s plus value. First s is 0. Value in n. What is the value of n? Well, 10. S plus value 0 plus 10. 10. Next, what is the value of value? 20. 20 plus what is the value? 10 plus 20. What is the value of s? 20. Now it is coming to else. Now it is coming to for else. Now I am writing printer. C students plus comma what? Yes sir. Now I'll say students, see where I am printing. Printer. AVG is equal to comma yes by len of yes. Len of yes. Len of yes. What is that len of s? Len of n? Len of n. Dear students, are you understanding this average, ma? Average, AVG, that is called A. So average. Come on, ma. Len of n. Len of n will give you number of elements in the tuple. First time it is coming 2. Next time when it is coming 3. Next time it is coming to 4. It will be continued for all these things. Next what will go? This will go to n. Next this will go to n. And first this has gone to this place. Are you understanding this logic? Now I will go to my program. Yes, indentation. I'll say that some logic here, some presentation here, ma. Now I'll say print of name. I'll take name is equal to comma name. That's a name I said. Next place. Print of what? Place. Just I'm taking place is equal. Don't write up place. I wrote place. Normally I wrote. Next I'm writing. After that, I will write the logic. For val in n, print of. Before that, I will take s is equal to 0. Print val s is equal to s plus val. Finished. It is coming to else part of it. Print of sum is equal to format of yes. Print of avg average is equal to comma format of what is that? S slash by ln of n. Dear students, this is done. This is the first time you are getting this type of output. Fine. So for a few minutes, yes ma, something is missing. Where? So curly brace line number 11, curly brace in line number 11, format of, okay, very nice. Curly brace, average also curly brace, right? So I will print here, value also I will print, value also I will print backslash t, something like I'll print that dot format of val. So let us see that. I'll execute this program. var variable length param example 2.py example 2.py. So see that example 2.py. Save it. Coming out of that, schema py variable example 2.py. So line number 14. Somewhere else, okay. Yes. Inside of that. See that output, what happens? Line number 14. So see the result of it. Mr. Dilip, Hyderabad, sum is 10, average is 15.0. 15.0 is coming. Right? Now go to the other comments I am removing. And before that other comments, dear students, you try to watch it. Other kind of comments I am removing. There it is printing. The logic as you are getting, sum is getting, and the place sum is coming like this. All the values are coming here. Right? Now see what I am going to do here. Here I am writing. See all of you carefully. Now I am writing like this. Here I am writing place is equal to mh. Now I am writing next name is equal to name is equal to I am saying Raj Singh. I am taking Raj Singh just to see that whether it is valid or not. What is the concept here? First you need to write what? Positional parameters you need to write. Follows argument. In this case, these are treated as what? Positional parameters. That's why first always positional parameters you need to write. If at all they are available. Let us take 1 minute, comma I gave you. So here you see positional parameters must be follows. Now I am writing. Now I am writing. Here I am writing. You see, comma, remove. Here I am saying, comma. Now I am saying like this. No problem. So see that positional parameters, name is equal to something. And these are treated as what? Positional parameters, these are treated. That's why you are not supposed to apply these kind of things. You are not supposed to apply these kind of things. So what we need to write? What we need to write? This kind of things we need to write it. So here, don't apply keyword arguments. See, some of the person asked this question. So what should we write? Positional parameter we need to apply compulsory. So here I wrote Prasad. Prasad is written. And then I am writing place is equal to I wrote. Place is equal to I wrote. So this is called error. I keep one error. Next you see once. Next same thing again here it's an error. Error. So you need to write. You should not write that kind of things. So coming to the point of it like this. So the student who asked this question, I hope this is clear for you. One of the students asked before this program to be done. So you cannot apply like this. Whenever variable length parameter is coming, it is always recommended to take it as what? This kind of thing. And the next I am writing here. See, CRS is equal to one small word I am writing Python. CRS is equal to Python. You can use. So I'm writing print course. Course is equal to Python. I am writing Python. I am writing. So if you take this person is learning Java, for example. I am writing Java. No problem. No problem. I am writing. Now see, I am getting what is that, ma? CRS. There is a place. CRS. Okay, fine. CRS, ma. CRS. See that? Comma. By mistake, all these things. See that course is called what? What is the value going there? Course is Java is going. Now, 1 minute. Again, this will give you see that it is going to be taking this problem. That means when you are taking any type of default parameter, this is the value. To take it as default parameter here. Default parameter is taken. Just look at. Now here you see default parameter I took. Variable argument parameter I took. When variable argument is coming, plus CRS is coming. See that with your intelligence you can achieve CRS. I wrote it here. CRS I wrote it here. By mistake I wrote here Java. What is happening? This Java is also taken as what? This Java is also taken as what? This variable argument only. That's why if at all you are interested to pass, you are interested to pass, I will try to write it here. CRS is equal to Java. CRS is equal to Java. That also you see error is coming. Positional parameters. These are treated as the positional parameters. So by keeping all these things in the mind, you should come to a conclusion. CRS is equal to default parameter. You take it here. So with your intelligence, you can write carefully. Star n and then CRS is equal to is written. So dear students, I hope that you are understanding this part. Star n and then CRS is equal to Python. Is it clear or not clear? Try to understand, you will understand very perfectly. And here, if you look at only my execution, you will write it. First you will write it this. First you understand how I am using it. Then you take this. Write down, ma. Now write down that. The question is already dictated for you. For loop syntax, ma. This is for loop syntax, Mr. Avinash. Mr. Avinash Mishra. Why taking else? We don't take if. That is very, very dangerous answer. I think you are not reading the notes at all. For loop, else is there. He is thinking that for if else, for loop else will be there. Please read the notes. Yes, please take it, all of you. Please take it, all of you. Mr. Kunal Turankar. Why this many times, ma? What is the problem of your last class? What is the what you are passing it? Did I explain pause to you? Huh? Did I explain pause to you? Then is pause is a value. Huh? Is pause is a value? Did I explain about pause? Huh? No, you tell me. Did I explain pause or not? After I explain, you try to use that guidelines. Pause is not a value to pause it. So please take care about. Right. Mr. Naveen, I printed the values here also. Mr. Naveen, I printed the values here, ma. All the values of the tuple n, star n, I printed here. So you are asking how to print the values of the tuple, sir. N, star n is there. I am printing with a for loop. Value of all the values are printed here. So I'm printing the values and finding the sum. So 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. So complete it. Yes, now I will run this code. So somebody is asking to run this code. So the output is coming. So the default value taken at the last, all the values are printed and average is also printed. Sum is printed, average is printed. Now, if you see carefully, this is a result. You cannot write, I told already here, CRS is equal to Java, you cannot write it. Suppose if you write like that, what is happening? These values are treated as a positional parameters. But to take these many number of 4 values, but here how many are there? 1, 2, 3 only there. 3 only. It is not treated as star n that time. Not treated as star n that time. It's a problem. It's a problem. So 4. Here it is taking only 1. It is not taking all these things into star n. That is a problem. That is a problem. Right. So with your intelligence, you try to add. So you cannot go like this. You should not take like this. Suppose if you are interested to take CRS is equal to Python, comma star n, if you want, you can write it and test it. Test it once. Here you can write, here you can write Java. So you see that time. Now you see that time also happy. So it is taking its what? 10 value is taken. Here it is Java is taken. So here it is say CRS. First time this value is coming. Here it is not taking 10. Default value is not taking here. Why? Because this value is passing to this place. Here if I write CRS is equal to Python, CRS is equal to some Python, if I write it, it is taken as what? These 1020 is taken as what? Positional parameters again. This positional parameters again. Again this will give you error. So please take care about it. What I am trying to tell with this example is, first for the effective level of examples, you take it as star n and you take it as, I am trying to use default value also here. CRS is equal to Python. And don't feel that star is confusing. I am not confusing here. I am trying to use various possibilities of using. So try to get it carefully what I am trying to use it. So this is called what? Error. This is called error. So when I am saying these many things means you have to understand. Otherwise I will take a plain example up to here. I am not trying to tell. I am trying to tell means you should get the knowledge on it. So you already understood and I am moving to forward. So it should not be taken this place. I am taking the default value CRS for all the people as Python only. So let us last and final run it. So I got all the people are learning Python and these values are like this. So here I used almost positional parameters, default parameters, variable length parameters, except keyword parameters. So don't try to use keyword parameters in this case. Okay, students, can I move forward? Permitted? Yes. Now I'll go for last mechanism. I will go for. What is the last mechanism? Dear students, last mechanism, please. Please tell me last mechanism. Keyword variable length parameters. Keyword variable length parameters. Write down heading. Keyword variable length parameters. Now I'll go for keyword variable length parameters. That is very, very easy for you because already we understood the concept. Now last mechanism I will take it. Keyword variable length parameter. So it is so easy for you, dead easy. because already we had exercised this type of concept. Variable length, keyword variable length parameter. So I will try to give one more example because I am getting one more thought in my brain. I will try to implement on this with the fourth mechanism. Let me complete this topic. After that, I will explain. Sir, what is this keyword variable length parameter, sir? Very, very simple. Let us go to, before going to write the concept, always our strategy is first observe practically, prepare the concept based on the example. Actually, we need to write concept after that things. But if I write the concept directly, you cannot understand. That's why first program I will take it. See, all of you, observe it. Here variable number of values. Variable number of values. Next to see. Beautiful. Another one is beautiful. See carefully. There is main program I am taking. Main program I am taking. For example, here I am taking show. SNO is equal to 10. SNO is equal to 10, comma, SName is equal to Mr. Arindam. Right? Done. Here you see carefully. SNO is equal to 10. SName is equal to Arindam. What is this? Representation? Can anybody tell? Can anybody tell quickly? Okay. Now, correct word I am expecting. See that? Number is equal to value. Name is equal to value. You are thinking about only concept. You are not thinking about data type. Kishan, very good ma. Kishan Baise, very nice. It is a dict. It is a dict kind of thing. Now everybody is saying, yes sir. It is a dict sir. We also understood, sir. Key comma value pair. This is called keyword only. No doubt in that. It's also keyword. I will accept it. But it is organizing the data internal in the form of dict. One more time, mama. One more time. Show. What is that? What is this? Name is equal to yes a name. Some name. Yes a name. Yes name is equal to rosum. Hobby one. Hobby. HOBBY. Hobby is equal to what do you call research like this. What is this S name is equal to? Key comma value pair. What is this hobby is equal to? Key comma value pair. Here how many? Next I will write a comma. Place is equal to Netherlands. See here how many key comma value pairs are there? 2. Here how many key comma value pairs are there? 3. Next, show. See ma, very simple. Faculty number is equal to 10. Faculty number is equal to 1. Name is equal to name. F name is equal to KVR. Next, sub 1 is equal to Python. Sub 2 is equal to Java. Sub 2 is equal to Java. Now tell me, comma. Sub 3 is equal to Django. Tell me now, what is your opinion, Amma? Here, how many key comma value pairs are there? Function name is same. See, keyword argument 1, keyword argument 2, keyword argument 3, keyword argument 4, keyword argument 5. Keyword argument 1, keyword argument 2, keyword argument 3 and 4 and 5. Dear students, now tell me here What is your opinion? What is your opinion, Amma? Similar function call. N number of similar function calls. Similar function calls with variable length keyword parameters. Variable length keyword parameters, params. Variable length, sir, how, sir? This is a 2. This is a 3. This is a 3. This is a 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you understanding my point? Sub 1. Here 2 keyword arguments. Here 3 keyword arguments. Here 4 keyword arguments. Then now you people got it. Now how many functions we need to define? 3 functions. So 1 function definition. All of you, I am expecting 1 function definition or 3 function definitions. 1 function definition only. Come on, help me, all of you. Def. Show. You already very good. Come on. How many stars? How many stars, ma? How many stars? Star n. Star n. Why 2 stars? 1 star is for holding keys. 1 star is used for holding keys. Keys. 1 more star is to hold what? Values. Who will organize this? Who will organize that key comma value pair, ma? Who will organize key comma value pair? Here n is called n is called what? N is called what? Keyword variable length parameters. Keyword variable length parameters. And whose type is? Whose type is? I forget. All of you. Whose type is? Dict. Sir, please show dict, sir. Whose type is dict, sir? You said, sir. You please show, sir. Last class you have shown that it is which type, sir? Tuple type, sir. You please show that, sir. It is a dict type, sir. Now I am showing. What is that? Print of type of n. Type of star n is equal to comma type of n. Just example. Keyword variable length example 1.5. Keyword variable length example 1.5. Save it. Done. Come on to the point. 5. Variable length example 1.5. See that dict. 3 function calls I am calling. 3 times it is coming to this. Right. So now hold. Yes. Very good, ma. Very good. So coming to the point back here, star n. Here n is called star n is called variable length parameters, sir. And whose type is called what, sir? Dict. Type of n is printed. Sir, now you go for print those values, sir. Print those values, sir. Now I am printing those values. See how it is. Now first take one only. Other things you print comment. If I print all at once, you will get confused. That's why. Because students are very, very sensitive, ma. That's why I am taking. So I am taking, sir, key /t and what's our value, sir? Value. Now you may ask a question again, sir. Print that one. Which one, sir? Which one I will print, sir? Print of what, sir? N. Print n, sir. What will happen? So n is going to print what? All the values. First time it is printing number is equal to name is equal to number is equal to name is equal to. So it is nothing but a normal dict object. It is printing. I don't want to print like a raw format. I want to print with a well formatted output, sir. So please tell me, sir, how do you print? K comma V in n dot items, sir. N dot items, sir. Do you know items? Come on, ma. Do you know that? Yes, sir. Print of. See, /t dot format of k comma v. Excellent. See that now. Number, name, number, name, number, name, number, name. So dear students, you are understanding, number name is printed. If I go for another thing to open, I will open this. I will open this. Now you see number name. Here what is the key comma value? What is the key? Yes name is equal to Rosam. Hobby. Hobby. Bobby is printed. Hobby. Research. Place is equal to NL. Go to the place. Here I will write hobby. H. Now open another one more. Another one more. You see that what is happening? Faculty number 1, name, subject 1, etc. Dear students, are you understanding? Are you understanding? Are you understanding this? What is this concept called? Which one is holding? Is it a variable number of values or variable length, keyword variable length parameters? Is it just variable length or keyword variable length? Keyword variable length only. So I would like to go for the concept. Concept is clear, sir. So you come to the topic name. Variable length parameters. See, dear students, with your permission, I am just copying. With your permission, I am just copying. Just watch it. I will copy, paste, and I only will modify in front of you. Look at. When we come across, I will take highlighting. All of you should keep a good eyes, keep monitoring. When we come across with n similar function calls, with what should I write? With keyword. I will add one extra word. Keyword. Variable number of parameters or variable length parameters. Variable number of values. Keyword variable number of values. Or keyword variable length of values. Variable length. If you want to go for it, variable length. Keyword variable length of values. Then what is happening? In the normal function programming, we need to define n function definitions. This approach leads to more development time, more execution time, more redundancy. To overcome this type of problem, we define one function definition. Only for what? Similar function calls with what is that? Keyword, variable number of values, variable length of values. In this approach, what? In this approach, or this approach gives, okay, right, that is right. This approach gives less development time, less execution time, redundancy of the code is reduced. To hold number of values in the function definition, we use a formal parameter preceded with asterisk. Which asterisk now? Double. We use in the function definition, we use a star preceded with a double asterisk. That formal parameter is called keyword variable length parameter, and whose type is what? Whose type is dict. Sir, syntax, sir. List of formal parameters. Star param I will use it. Star param. Star param is what type? Dict type I told already. This is a syntax. Function call, you don't worry. This is the main part we need to understand. Okay, ma'am. Are you understanding the concept? Please confirm once. With this, all parameter mechanisms over. Because every interview will compulsory ask these questions. Please confirm once. I just want to see whether you have done or not, whether you understood or not. Right. Very nice. Good. Yeah, I will explain my double asterisk operator. Once again, I will explain. Right. Please confirm all of it. Yeah, confirmed it. Right. Now coming to the point back, one time small point. See, double star. Why double star? Simple, amma. How many variable number of values are coming? Who asked the question? One key, second key. First key, second key, third key. Fourth key, fifth key. Like that, to hold a variable number of keys, one star I will use it. Once one key is there, definitely values are also there. Values are also there. What are that values? Variable number of values they are called. Star star n. Star star n. There is nothing but double star. One star is for variable number of keys. One more star is called what? Variable number of values. I hope that you people understand that concept. Right. Thank you. Right, ma. Write down. One star is for one key. One star is for variable number of key. Another star is for what? Variable number of values. Okay. Write down. Right, ma. Thank you. Write down. Now concept you write first. Yes. Lakshmi Pati. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. After this example, I will go to one more example. Yes, ma. Satyam Sharma. Thank you. So you are all complimenting me. Thank you. So when you are complimenting me, I should go more depth of it. So I get like that. Line number 82. What is that, ma? In line start keyword is missed, sir. Okay. To hold the variable number of values. Keyword variable number of values, ma. Yes. Keyword. To hold keyword variable number of values. Yes. Keyword to hold keyword variable number of values. Yes. In the function definition, we use a formal parameter preceded with a double star, and the formal parameter is called, and that formal parameter is called keyword variable length parameter, and whose type is dict. To hold keyword variable number of values. Yes. Yeah, we can write that also. Kaushal, you can write that also, ma. To hold keyword number of values, or to hold variable number of keyword and variable, you can write that also. To hold concept name variable keyword variable number of values. Keyword is including, values are also including. Yes, ma. Sai Kumar, I am not talking, ma. Sai Kumar, I am not talking. I am waiting for you to complete it. Sai Kumar, I gave the time for you to write it. Sai Kumar, are you listening me? Ah, yes. So, Mr. Raj Singh put one proposal, ma. If everybody will accept that proposal, I will go for it. What Raj Singh kept is, sir, you are explaining. After that, we are writing. So that writing, we are feeling that a little time is wasted. So we will take a screenshot, and after the class, we will write in the notes. Sir. Like that, he is asking me, what is your opinion? If you say that, I will also move forward. I can also complete the subject quickly. If anybody says accepted means you say accepted, not accepted means no, no, sir, you say. Accepted, no, no, accepted, accepted, no, no, like that you tell me. I will tell you finally what is the majority of the people said. Mm, so, okay. Okay. So what majority I have seen is they did not accept it. Majority. Okay. Okay. Now also I also feel that after I explain, some time is given for you to write it. But you are a beginner, na? You beginner in the sense you are coming to the good programming level now. So what I feel is up to certain stage, still few more one more week or after 10 days, you will fully acquaint what I am explaining. That time, what I do is you can take screenshot as well as I will put the Google Drive class immediately in front of you only. In front of you only. You can download and you can write in the notes. After 10 days, not now, because you will understand me also. That time we will go for that part. So neither I am giving completely screenshot concept, nor I am giving completely writing. Why? Because as a student, if I think if you take screenshot, you will have a confidence. Okay, it is there. Tomorrow we'll write it. Tomorrow you have some other work. Day after tomorrow we'll write. So tomorrow's screenshot to today's screenshot. More screenshots. Next day, next day. So no notes is not writing. You will not read the notes. Finally, class will not run properly. Tomorrow never come. So what is my advice is write few more days, 10 more days. If you want to take screenshot, I will upload immediately in front of you only Google Drive class daily in front of you only. So that is better what I feel. It's my personal opinion. If everybody says that okay, screenshot means okay, no problem. If everybody accept, I will also along with you only. I am not different. I will be along with you. Yes, ma. So Rakesh Arora is saying one thing. Sir, you are explaining, we are learning. When we write also, we are getting the good we are learning again, sir. That is giving good knowledge, he is saying. So that's what I'm asking. Few days, if you still writing, you will understand what is the Python totally. So you can go to whatever the way you want, you can go for it. That is what is my opinion. So please accept my opinion. We will go one day to the Google Drive class. Need not write in the class. Beginning days, don't go to that high tech screenshot. Right, ma. Complete it. Now program, I will go for it. Write a Java program. Write a Java program. Sorry, Python program. Sorry. So Python Java classes. Now it is just overlapping in my brain. Sorry for it. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will accept and display. 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 Keyword. Keyword. Which will accept and display. Keyword. Variable number of values. Which will display. Which will display. Keyword. Variable number of values. Keyword variable number of values. So keyword variable number of that wording itself pronunciation is important. Now write down this. If you write a little bit fast, I will go to one more example. Yes, ma. Completed. R. Durga Prasad. Writing completed. Okay, ma. Now I will go for last example. Last example, I will go for it. Write down. It is easy for you. With the positional parameters and a variable number, keyword variable number of values. Because that is a final example where you can do. Write down, ma. R. Durga Prasad. You want to take screenshot, ma? Yes, ma. Complete all of you. R. Durga Prasad. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will find, 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 which will find total marks of various students. Understand the question. Total marks of various students. Total marks of various students. Total marks of various students. Total marks of various students who are securing in different marks. Who are securing in different marks. Who are securing in different subjects. You're right. Who are securing in different subjects. 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 Who are studying in different classes. 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 So who are that? 10th class student, various subjects. Intermediate, various subjects. Various subjects. BTech, various subjects. Like that I want to go for it. So dear students, come on to the subject, ma. Now I'll go for the program quickly. Is the question is clear for all of you? Is the question is understandable, la? Come on, ma. I want to know that. Come on, fast. Otherwise, people are slowly. Now it is 5:40. People are slowly switch off their missions and going out. Sorry, is teaching only program, na. So he will not teach the subject now. Only program is teach. That is only important. Now coming to the subject. So let me go to the subject here. Now I am going for, see carefully. What is that? Total marks. So I am writing find this is a main program I am writing. See ma, once your functions perfect na, see that how you will understand next concepts. Find total, find total marks. Find total marks. Find what? Total marks. I am writing here, find total marks. There I am saying, Mr. Harshita, Harshita, not Mr. So, Harshita, studying 10th class, for example. So, she got the marks 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is her marks, ma. So, you see that too. This is English marks. This is, see, English marks is equal to Hindi marks is equal to social studies is equal to science is equal to next what, maths is equal to these are her marks. See that first two are positional parameters, ma. Next is called what? Keyword variable length parameters. Next I am taking, ma, one more subject marks I am taking. Find total marks. What is that? One more thing is what? Rajeshwari. One more student. She is studying intermediate. Her marks is, her mass is biology is Biology 55 she got it. Zoology she got it. Zoology she got it. 60 out of 60. And next is called chemistry. She got around 55. She got it. 58 she got it. For example, see that three subjects. Three subjects here. So many number of keyword variable length. Here three subjects. Next, find total marks. One more student I am taking ma. Find total marks. One more name I am taking ma. So what is our name is? What is our name is? Sharada. All I'm taking all the girls' name. Okay, Akila. Okay, Akila I will take. So I will take. So I will take Akila. Here I will take. So she is studying BTech, for example. She is studying BTech. So C marks. C marks. How many C marks ma you got it? How many C marks? Please tell me quickly. 70. No. Akila will tell. Don't tell yours. Others should not tell. CPP. CPP ma. CPP. 74 you got. Okay. CPP 74. Python. Python 80. Okay. Because star is writing now. That's why. Na? Okay. Otherwise star will feel. Python star will feel something. That's why. Java. Java is equal to how many? No, not like that. Okay. Your confidence. Okay. Nice. Just joking ma. Java. How many? Akila, tell me quickly. Java thinking, okay, 79 because sorry saying Python, no, that's 1 mark less because he's teaching both, na. They like that. Okay, very nice. Okay, anyhow, it is enough. Now James Gosling, now Rosam is taking. Rosam, he is a research. He is okay, ma'am. Just I'm kidding. Rosam. He is not. He is a research. You don't have any marks, ma. You don't have any marks. See that? You don't have any marks. Only positional parameters. Okay. Now come on to the first subject. First subject. All of you. Very good example. Say, come on to the point, ma. What is that now? Def. Find total marks. Find total marks. See, I need not give these many examples. If I give now, this is very nice. Okay, double quotes now. I won't give, ma. I want to give double quotes. No, just numbers only. By mistake, I wrote. Next, I will write what? Yes, a name. Class, CLS, class name. That is student class, yes class. Tell me, star marks. Star marks. Are you following? Ma? Are you following? Yes. Then, come on. Now I will print. Now I will print. Name of the student, like a marks memo, I will print. Name of the student, I will print of what is that? Student name. Student name is equal to sir. Dot format, sir. Dot format. What is that now? I will say. I will say what? Yes, a name. Next I will say student class, sir. Student class is equal to S dot format of what? SCLS. Done. Now I will print the marks of every student. CLS. I will print the marks of all the students. How do you print the marks? Marks I will print. As whose subject names also I will print. Come on, for my satisfaction. Printer. Tell me. Okay. I will print directly. For. Tell me, ma. For. Not saying right. For. I'll say. K in. If you follow me carefully, I will say marks dot. Just to see what I am printing it, because marks dot keys. What I am printing, just to watch it. Just for a minute you watch. So I am saying that something like this. Backslash dot format of K, comma, end is equal to just some space. Just some space I am giving. Just some space I am giving. Okay, now after that I am writing. Under that I am printing. I am printing this part written. Because of that, what is happening? You just observe it. \n I say. Just for a minute you watch it. So keyword variable len example 1 dot py. I'm just printing. I'm just printing in something different. I'm just printing something different. That's why. Variable length, keyword variable length, len param example. Yes. Just yes. Py. See that I'm printing English, Hindi marks. Name I printed already, and whose marks I am printing. If you want to print vertically also, you can print. If you want to print vertically also, you can print. Just I am trying to print in the same line. Sir, I don't want to print in the same line means no problem. I can print k comma v marks dot what items. If you say, I can print that also. Items. What is that? K comma v \t of that k comma v comma v. I will write it. Ends and all things I will remove. Okay, I will remove. Just to see that what is happening. Number, English marks, Hindi marks, social marks, all the marks are printed. Immediately total also I want to print it. Total also I want to print it. So there I am trying to print total also I will calculate. Here see how I am calculating the total amount. Here I will take S is equal to TOT, total is equal to 0 I will say. Here I am writing TOT is equal to TOT plus what? V. Dear students, TOT plus V. Are you understanding, ma? Are you understanding, ma? Yes. Now I will print. Now I will print. Print total marks. Total marks is equal to dot format of what is that? TOT. TOT. Just to see. Already we have seen that total marks. What is the total marks? 350. These are the things. 350 marks are printed. See, ma, I will take here \t just to show you the good output, to show you the nice output. Just I am formatting, ma, that's it. Nothing else I am doing. Just to format it to see the nice output. Good program, class Arshita, name, and then she got total marks. Now you'll remove the comment for other person also. Other person also. See that? So Rajeshwari, our subject is like that, class is that, and marks is like this. Next, Akila. Now her marks is what? See that? Student, numbers, names, marks, like this. Next, I will last find out is what? Research. What is the total marks of Rosam? What is the total marks of Rosam? Total marks of Rosam. Not saying. Here, variable marks are not showing. No marks means what is the printed? Total marks are printed compulsory. 0 is printed. 0 is printed. Total marks is 0. No subject marks. Total marks only printed. 0 plus 0 is 0. Are you understanding, ma? Is the program is clear? Sound is not there. I took a lot of responsible time and then said, but you are not giving response. Right. Write down quickly. We have only 5 minutes. Now it is 5:51. 5:51. Within 2 minutes, you need to take it. Yes, ma. Thank you. Write down. So next people are ready. Now you make it within 2 minutes. You need to complete. Yes. Kaushal Tata. Yes. Yes, ma. King. Thank you, ma. King. What is your name, ma? King. King. What is your name? Earlier also I asked your name. Okay. Manish Rana. Okay. Take ma. Quickly you take it. 6 o'clock again, people are waiting. Yes, ma. Durga Prasad, you can do like that also. You can do like that also, ma. Thank you, ma. Same to you. All of you be safe and read Python and practice well. Right, ma. Thank you. So all of you, please, I'm taking only 5 minutes time, ma. Please, only 5 minutes time. So tomorrow class, I'll take care about your doubt. Only 5 minutes time. So I need to end the session. Thank you. Good day for all of you.